Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add WordPress widgets in accessibility mode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do when you're being on dashboard, you want to click here to appearance and widgets. And right now what I need to do, I just need to take it and just paste it, right? But what can I do is just enable accessibility mode. And right now you can see I can just simply add, and I can simply add it like this. So this is another way: custom links, add, and like the sidebar which I wanted to have it on, the audio and stuff like that. So this is how we do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.